Hey guys, it's Amy and I am in Moscow, and I thought that while I was here I thought it would be kind of fun to just do a daily video update. Since I'm horrible at writing on my blog, I'm just going to post these videos on my blog. And so first I just want to thank everyone so much for all your prayers, and I've just been getting so many emails back from my prayer request. I can't keep up with answering them all back, but just have been really overwhelmed with just your sweet words and just encouragement, and it just means a ton to me. So thanks. And I'm exhausted. I got here this morning at like 10, and but I'm having a really restful day. I'm just hanging out at my friend Tanya's apartment, and I'm going to actually turn the camera around so you can see a little bit of, she's on the 12th floor of an apartment in Moscow, and there's a little bit of snow still here, but it's pretty. It's probably like 45 degrees. And so I'm just having a restful day, waiting for her to get home from work. I haven't even seen her yet. A friend of hers picked me up from the airport. And yeah, so that's it. So I just wanted to let you guys know I'm here, and I'm going to try and do this every day and take y'all along on this crazy journey. Have no idea what's going to happen here, but I'm excited to find out. So love you guys. Bye.